Hey everyone, it's nearly handover day for this beautiful 255 behind me. This formula is on its way up to our dealer up north, and the guys are just finishing polishing and cleaning and doing the final touches before this one goes up north to the dealer to get a pair of 300 Rados put on the back and a big install of Simrad electronics. So jump on board and let's have a look at what it looks like inside. So we've just done our fit out on this boat. We've finished building it and it's going up north to our dealer. They're going to do the full fit out of the engines and the electronics. We've finished putting in the upholstery, the seats. We've gone for this super nice looking camel on our cushions with a bit of a black piping. Ties in nicely with the helm seats, which we've got on a suspension base. Really, really comfortable to sit and drive. We've got them on a bolster and they're also adjustable height, so you can get that perfect driving position no matter who's driving. It's really handy, even on a boat as big as this, to still have the seat with a bolster on the front here. It just gives you a really comfortable position if you want to stand up. You can get the armrests out of the way if you want to drive backwards if you're looking at a fish. And then when you want to sit down, just have that extra bit to sit on here at the front. So we've started the install on the dash here. Our dealer up north is going to put in a pair of Simrad 16-inch screens in the dash here. We've put in our Osmarine Tech switch panel. This is super neat. It's got backlit LEDs, so it looks fantastic at night. We've got all our lights and pumps, bilges. We've got a pair of USB chargers in here. And we also have a nice cutout where we can drop the Mercury 502 engine gauge right in here. We've got our Esky actuator for the slide out down to the transom. We've got our Seakeeper dial. We've got our sab winch, electric anchor winch. Obviously the binnacle, the Mercury binnacle will go on here, and the steering wheel, the guys will fit that up north at the dealer. We've done something pretty cool in this 255. We've actually put two Luma slimline hatches. This is a new one we haven't used before. We've put one here above the driver's seat, and we've put another one in the cabin. The one in the cabin is just nice to get a bit of airflow when you're doing some overnighters up on the reef. This one's got two purposes. It obviously gets you a lot of airflow in the cabin on the hot days when you're up north, but it's also used for Billy to be able to stand on the driver's seat, stick his head through and help navigate through some tricky coral bommies on the Great Barrier Reef when you're coming in at sunset. So it's going to be a really nice feature up north. Also in the hardtop here, we've got these beautiful shadow casted downlights. So we've got two of those inside the cabin, and then out on the back of the hardtop, we run these three coloured recessed spreader lights. So these just light up the deck beautifully, and just having them nice and flush mounted in the hardtop just looks fantastic. We've got a fantastic Roswell sound system in this boat, and it absolutely pumps. We've got a pair of 7-inch speakers in the hardtop here, recessed in, and then just up in front of them, the driver here, we've got the head unit, which is always nice and easy to control while you're driving. Next to it, we've got our windscreen wiper. We've also got a spray bottle on there too, so it's great to get a bit of clear vision when you're coming in on those sloppy days. Both the seats are sitting on our Esky box. This is a fully insulated, foam-filled box on both sides. It's great to have two. You can have one set up as dry storage, have one filled with ice. You can have food in one, bait in one. They'll keep ice for days in there. And then having the padded seats on top is just a really good extra passenger spot for sitting when you're running out or when you're sitting watching the spread. It's a great spot to sit. We've got a couple of options with our bait tanks in the 255. We've got two openings here, but in this case, we've got one giant bait tank, so that's fully plumbed. We have another option where we can run a divider in the middle. We can have one freshwater and one plumbed as a bait tank. Just depends on how you want to set the boat up. This one's really set up for game fishing, so we'll maximize the bait tank size. So they can clean this beautiful boat up so it can get up to the dealer in a couple of days. We'll give you guys an update once this beautiful boat's at its home in Airlie Beach, and we'll give you a run through once she's on the water and up and running, and we can't wait to come and do a trip up north with it. Thanks guys, and see you soon.